Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm making malasadas. We've made the regular malasadas, but this is the quick and easy malasadas. You won't believe it. And it comes out just as good. You won't recognize it. I have here 4 slices of bread. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut each one into 9 pieces, so I have 36 pieces altogether. And use a serrated knife so you won't smash the bread. Okay. So use a square bread, not the round one. And then turn it around and cut it in 3 again. And I usually use white bread because it comes out tasting better than if you use a artisan type of bread or brown bread. Okay, so I have here some oil already heating, but I'm going to make the batter, and this takes seconds to do. I have here 2 cups of Bisquick and 1 cup of milk. So I'm just going to pour it in, and then the egg, I'm going to just beat it up a little bit. That's just 1 egg that I've beaten up. And then I'll add in half a teaspoon of lemon extract. And that's all there is. So I just use a whisk and mix it up till it becomes a smooth batter. Okay, the oil is hot. Now I'm going to just throw in some of the bread. And I'm going to cover it with the batter. And pour it in the oil. These malasadas are very fast to make because, you know, when you have the regular batter, you have to make sure that the batter's cooked all the way. But because you have the bread that's already done, all you're doing is you're putting a light batter on the outside, and so you don't have to test it. When it's brown, it's done. But you have to regulate the heat, because you see these here are darker because the heat was too high. Then I turned it down and you get a nicer kind of color. So very fast to make. Now these are ways that you can serve the malasadas. If you're going on a trip, a car ride, and you don't want it messy, you can put some in a cup. The kids can just eat it. Or if you're going hiking, something like that. And you can sprinkle it with sugar, like this. Now, I'm not putting too much because some people don't like a lot of sugar, but sometimes I just roll it in there to get maximum sugar. These are good for a party. So you have it on a tray and people can just pick it up and eat it. And they'll go, wow, how is this made? They would never guess that there's a piece of bread in the middle. I'm going to try one, but like I said, I like it rolled in sugar because you get the maximum amount. But everybody's different. So I'm going to bite it. Nice and crunchy. Sweet, but not very sweet. And you can see the inside, how it is. You would never think that there's a piece of bread in here. If you want the full experience of making the real malasadas, we just did a video on it, so you can look at it. So please try this recipe and compare the two and see which one you like. But this one is really fast, especially if you're in a hurry. And you know, you serve it to people and they'll be very impressed. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And mahalo for watching. See you on the next video.